1100 South Bagby. This home is over 1,800 square feet, has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. The home is located on 1.5 lots and is just a couple blocks from the middle school and elementary school and the main uptown. The homeowners just had laid this blacktop that goes from the double-car garage over to the frontage road. The homeowners have also just made this nice little seating area between the double-car garage and the side door of the home. As you walk up, it's very pleasant and has lots of parking space. The homeowners love sitting on this deck in the summer, spring, and fall. And as you walk into the house, you have first the living room. As you notice, there's new storm doors, new replacement windows, gutters. The metal roof is extended to the new owners and has a 30-year warranty. Nice sized living room. And off to the right you have the dining room. That has lots of sunlight going through. And the kitchen. I'm going to go down the hallway, which has a lot of storage space. You have off to the right here, the first door is a closet, then you have a linen closet. The homeowners are currently using this first bedroom downstairs as a living room, the second room with a nice sized closet, and over here is the bathroom, which you have, it's also nice size. You can put a tub in there if you're wanting to. The homeowners prefer a shower. And the second bedroom over here, which she is using currently as an office. Then you go back to the dining room. Which leads into the kitchen. The kitchen has a nice pantry that for extra storage. And the kitchen is very lovely. The stove, refrigerator, dishwasher are included. You have plenty of counter space, and if you would like to, you have a little window here that you could open up into the dining room if you want to, or just kind of leave a little poking window so you are able to converse with your guests. Here's a view from the kitchen to the dining room and the living room. And on your way upstairs, you see there's 3 main closets here. They're very nice size for lots and lots of storage. This is just a closet in the hallway. And over this way, you have what they're using as a master bedroom. Again, with lots of closet space. And it's a nice size. She's got a king-size bed in here. So it's a very nice size. And as you walk back the hallway, off to the right, you have a bathroom, a full bath with a powder area, seating area, and the sink, and the shower, and tub. And off to the left, you have their storage room. Again, here's a nice sized closet for plenty of storage, and the new replacement windows. And again, this is a very nice sized room. The house is usually very well lit. It's a stormy day outside, so it's kind of gloomy. Bad day to take a camera shot. I'm going to take you now down into the basement, which goes off from the kitchen. The owners just have replaced the furnace and air conditioning and the condenser outside. They've got, not needed, but they went ahead and put a new sump pump and a new hot water heater. Those items are located downstairs here in the basement. And the washer and dryer is on the basement floor. Sorry about that. There's the new furnace, the air conditioning, and the hot water heater is a Rude. And the new furnace system is a York. And we have a locked electrical box down here. It is an unfinished basement. They use it basically for storage. Very clean. Going up the steps. We'll lead you out to the double car garage. Back outside to the nice landscaping out here. The camera focus. There it is. And again, here you have the nice side yard. There is a nice security light in the backyard as well, but this lot extends to the bushes. You can kind of see the property line is at the trees, and then you have a side yard that goes to the frontage road as well. It's a lovely view again. They like to sit back over here too with this nice landscaping they just have put in. I'm going to bring you to the double car garage on the inside. It's got electricity to it. And thank you for viewing 100 S.Bagby in Noster, Missouri. If you would, please give Lori Weiner at 660-624-0107 if you have any questions about this home.